Hello, my lovely students, and welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly. Now, before I get started, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So today we will do a fun shopping dialogue and practice. This conversation is between the retailer, Nancy, and the customer, Sophia. Hello, is there anything particular you are looking for? Hi, I'm trying to find the right dress for my friend's wedding. All right. I can help you with that. That would be wonderful. Thank you. What type of a dress would you like? A long sleeveless purple dress. Okay. In what size? Size medium, please. Follow me. I think we have just what you are looking for. Okay, great. Here are all the long sleeveless dresses in size medium. The changing rooms are at the back of the store. You can try them out and let me know which ones you want. Perfect, will do. I really like this one. It's so fabulous and elegant. How much is it? It certainly is one of a kind. Very pretty. This week it's on special. 45% off the original price. So it will be $28 plus tax. Really? That's such a perfect deal. I will buy it. Would you like a nice pair of shoes to go with your beautiful dress? Let me take a look and I will decide. For sure, let me know if you need anything. I definitely will. Thanks. You're very welcome. My pleasure. I found this pair that I really like. But do you have it in size 9? Let me just check. Be right back. Look, we have it in size 9. Oh, that's wonderful. Perfect. And it's only $12. Any accessories you want as well? No, thank you. These two will be it for me. You have been such a great help. My pleasure. The total comes to $44.05. How would you like to pay? I will pay with my Visa, please. All right, go ahead. Your receipt's in the bag. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. Thank you. I appreciate all your help. You have a very nice day too. Now it's time for a fun activity. Make a shopping dialogue and practice with a friend. Good luck! Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful to you. Please write me your comments and questions. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.